Hello everyone, welcome to part 21 of Laravel 11 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. Okay, so we are working on the Crud operations for CMS pages, and in this particular video we will work on the add CMS page. So finally we are going to insert the CMS page, insert the new CMS page in the CMS underscore pages collection. Okay, so in the last video we have seen that we able to add the CMS page form. Okay, now we are going to fill up this form and we click on submit, and the page will get submitted to the CMS pages collection, and we can able to see in the CMS pages here as well. Okay, so let's work on this one, and here we are going to modify this edit function. Now we will have the poster data here. Okay, so I will open that function. So I'm going to close first of all the files, and we'll open that particular CMS controller file in which we are going to modify this edit function. See, right now we have not getting here the poster data, but now we will get the poster data here. This is the poster data that will come once the admin adds something, when once the admin wants to create the new CMS page. Okay, so the page data will come up here in the post method. Okay, from here you can simply uncomment, and we'll see here that the complete data will come up here. Okay, like if I will add here like title, some privacy policy, like the page name is the privacy policy, and URL is privacy policy, like this I'm going to add, and description like coming soon. So I'm going to click on submit, and we'll see here the data is coming like title, URL and description. So it's coming here. Okay, so we can able to debug it like this, and after that we will add the validations as well. First of all we will add the validation. We will check like the complete data is coming. If in case something is missing, then we will simply return with the error message. Okay, like see, I'm going back, and we'll here miss some data. Like I'm going to click on submit, and here you can see that we will redirect back, but here we are required to add the validate, that validator as well, and also we are required to do one change that we have done in the admin controller as well. Okay, here we are going to use the validate like this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one, and we'll replace it with this validate. Okay, in which we are simply validate whatever data is coming in request. We will validate like this instead of this one. Okay, and also we are required to add the use validator at the top. Use validator. Okay, so now we are going to check whether we able to validate or not, and here you can see yes, we able to validate. See, all three are empty, so that's why it is saying to fill that data. Title is required, URL is required, and description is required. Okay, so so this validation will work fine, and this same thing I'm going to add here. Okay, only difference is that we are going to use it like this. Okay, so this after this validate, then see, make sure that we are going to add this CMS page model at the top here in CMS controller. We will require to add the CMS page that is already added, and also make sure that we have this session. Yes, session also we are having. Okay, so the error also, for error also we are displaying this error because we are already added that script in CMS page blade file, and instead of that, I think in add edit CMS page blade file we have already added this to display the error message. So this is the script that we have already added. Okay, and now finally we are going to update the function, edit function once again, and here see, here in case of add, we are going to have that new CMS page, and the message also we are going to have it here. Here see, we are going to have here CMS page equal to new CMS page. Okay, and message is CMS page added successfully. Okay, so this is the message, and this, I think this is the change. And after that, after validating the data, we are going to save that data in our CMS pages collection, in the CMS pages collection. Oh yeah, so I am going to copy this one. See, these are the condition if in case the CMS page. So right now I'm not going to add I will simply add this one and I will modify it accordingly. See, we don't have some of the columns, so see, title, URL and description we are having, and this one we are not having right now. So I'm going to remove this one. We'll just keep it like this, and after saving it, then I will return back. So I'm going to check that whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so let's check. Let's add new CMS page now. I'm going to refresh it once and we'll see now. Like, I'm going to add the privacy policy here, and here simply I will add coming soon. We'll click on submit, and here you can see we able to add new page, that is the privacy policy, and you can able to see here. Okay, and we can able to see that privacy policy here in the middle. Okay, we able to add this page. Okay, and you can able to find it with the date, and you can able to do like this. Like, if you want to see that privacy policy at the top, then you can able to see it as well. See, we can show the latest pages at the top as well. Okay, for that I will show you that how we can update the data table in which we can show the latest pages at the top. That I will explain you in next video. But right now we able to add the CMS page here. Okay, and you can able to see that we able to able to correctly add it. Okay, title, URL as well as the description we can find. We are not showing here, but we can see in the MongoDB. Here I'm going to refresh this one from here, and you can see its description is the coming soon, so we can able to add it like this. Okay, so in the next video we will work on its edit functionality as well. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.